I think that a lot of the popularity is to do with the fact that people of my generation grew up with it as children, and it sort of represents recognisable values which they want to pass on to their children. Certainly my two are fascinated with it.
I think there is a hunger for family films, for films that you can take little children to see, and their older brothers or sisters and other members of the family won't get bored and they won't be embarrassed about going along to see the movie. So I think it's a good time for a movie like Thomas and the Magic Horse. I've worked with Alec a couple of years back because he became, in America, Thomas's storyteller in the film on television. And we just had a great time, and he loves working for this project. His own daughter is a big fan. And so when you first heard that I was getting involved in making this movie, he wanted to be involved. So that was great.
How is it for you? I mean, are your friends at school very jealous of the new friends you have?
My friends can be pretty jealous.
Me, right?
Oh yeah, they're all in love with him. They're all in love with him, yeah. They want to come to the LA premiere so they can see him.
I'm only 18, so I mean, it's not that much difference, you know.
You got yeah, Mr. Stud. No, it's been great, and they are kind of jealous of it. You know, we're meeting all these people when I was so little. Yeah, I have a tutor on the set, and I had some really good ones on this show. Yeah, Laurie was my tutor. She's a really good friend of mine. On the weekends, my guardians, sort of Laurie and Lucy and Michael and I would all go shopping. Anyway,
and spend all our money that we earn.
Pretty No, but anyway, you have a teacher on the set, and they work with you, and you send work back and forth to schools, and it can get pretty hard sometimes. But
do you have time to just play and be a normal child with your friends?
Yeah, I do have sometimes, when I'm filming, and I used to call my friends. Oh, their parents must hate me now because they used to call them long distance from the Isle of Man.
Plus email, you're a big email.
Oh, definitely. I'm such an internet addict, definitely. And so I'm always emailing them. I don't know.
You write stories, and she's an avid reader. And I mean, this is a smart girl we're talking to.
Privilege. Thank you.
When I'm not in charge, doesn't it? Well, never mind, I'm in charge now, and you're going to have a wonderful afternoon, and to help you, I'm going to introduce you to Station Master Dick. Round of applause! Hello, boys and girls.
It is excellent, it's flabbergasting.
Flabbergasting, that's quite a description. Why was it flabbergasting?
Well, I mean, a Thomas film, I mean, you'd never expect real, actual, live people to actually take part in the actual film, so I just thought that was amazing, I mean, how they could put the graphics together.